Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, GuesterRex, and today I'm going to show you the easiest and quickest way to finish week 1 challenges for season 5, along with the hidden battle star. It is possible to get it done in around 2 to 3 games, so I'm going to show you the quickest way to do it. What you want to focus on is the lightning bolts and the treasure maps, then the other challenges can be done in the meantime. To start, you want to land at Wailing Woods, where the first lightning bolt will be, as I'm showing you right now. Then get some guns and resources and head down to the mountain past the tree at Risky, where you will find your second lightning bolt. Now in the same game, you want to head on top of the tunnels next to Tomato Town, where you'll find the treasure map. You'll see that there's a blank green patch of grass isolated from the brown dirt to show where it is. Then you want to head west to Tomato Town, where you'll find your third lightning bolt. While you're running around getting lightning bolts in the treasure map, make sure to try and complete other side challenges like the 500 damage from SMGs, find a llama, or get 3 kills with explosives. I was actually lucky enough to find a llama in my second or third game, and 2 seconds later I get a clinger kill, which got me 1 out of 3 to finish that challenge. Breaking a llama will do the same thing as searching one, so you don't need to worry about that. A tip for explosive kills with grenades, clingers or sting bombs is to play duos or squads. Try to knock down a player, but don't finish his team. You want to eliminate them with one of your explosives, and it will count towards your challenge. And SMG damage? Just make sure you're always holding one, and in any gunfight, use it. They're really strong with a shotgun switching between them, but if you want to get the most damage done, make sure you're using it as much as possible, and it won't take that long. Now you can really just fool around or go for that dub, or do whatever you want, because we need to join a second game to finish the lightning bolts. Once you're in your second game, you want to land to Lonely Lodge, maybe grab some loot and resources, and make your way to the tower and it'll be right next to it. Then you want to head to Retail Row, where you also need 3 eliminations. Try to get them this game, but if you can't, then just head back here at the start of next game and you'll easily get 3 kills. And the lightning bolt is next to the house from the shops. Then you want to make your way down to Dusty, which has changed a lot and it's pretty crazy. The lightning bolt is above the trees in the very middle of the divot, so just break a few trees and build up there to grab your 6th lightning bolt. Then for the final lightning bolt, you'll need to head to Salty, where you'll easily be able to see it. I don't have gameplay of the Salty lightning bolt because I didn't actually go there to get it. I went to Paradise Palms, as you can see now. I would have gone Salty, but the zone went to Paradise and the lightning bolt was right next to me, so I thought, why not? So now that you've done your lightning bolts, the treasure map, the SMG, the 3 kills at retail, grenade eliminations, and the llama, all you have to do is search chests at Snobby. Now there are so many people landing at Snobby, it's so hard to get chests. As you can see in my game plans, I land there several times and I don't even get a chest. You're just gonna have to keep landing there if you want that final challenge done. I suggest landing in the greenhouse on the very left, where there sometimes spawns 2 chests and maybe even 3, I'm not sure. Or the modern house, which can also have 3 chests. What I would recommend is that you hold off on this week's search chest challenge and wait for week 2 challenges. Then everyone will be going to that location and you'll have Snobby to yourself. But if you're like me and you wanted to get that hidden battle star, you're gonna have to keep landing there and eventually getting those 7 chests. Once you've completed all 7 challenges, you can now find the hidden battle star. Your road trip, or season 5 blockbuster reward for completing week 1 challenges, is a loading screen. And if you look very close on the map, you can see a star where the umbrella is. This is where the hidden battle star is located. I suggest landing at the motel and gathering some loot, resources, and then make your way to the battle star. It's on the steps closer to the motel. There you go guys. The quickest and easiest way to completing week 1's challenges. If you did enjoy this video, or it did help you out, make sure you subscribe and comment what you want to see more of. I'm making sure to upload these weekly challenge tips every week, so stay tuned for them. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.